Dear, it's your hot chocolate milk. Be careful.
Thanks, Grandmother.
Now your grandfather should take hot choco milk.
Yes, because they're driving so much.
You both so sweet. Are you enjoying this trip, my dear?
Yes. Yes.
Wow, it's so yummy.
Yes, it's good. Here you are, my dear.
Oh, thank you.
And one for you, too.
It smells delicious, thank you.
It's so peaceful listening to the rain from inside here.
Yes, makes the tea taste even better.
So beautiful morning.
There, that looks perfect.
Yes, much better.
I still remember the first time you cooked shrimp for me.
And I remember the first time I realized I couldn't live without you.
The company is even better than the food. I love you both so
We
much.
love you too, dear.
Here, try some of this tea.
It's lovely. These pastries are delicious.
The waves sound so peaceful